Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make quick and easy vegetable soup. It's very delicious one and easy to make. So let's go for the ingredients. Now let's get started. For the soup, I have taken carrot and potato which I have cut in cubes. And for the celery, I have taken 3 stems. I just peel off the sticky part or the stringy part. It is the fibrous thing, but it's more chewy in the soup, so we're just gonna peel it off. And I'm gonna cut the celery in cubes as well. The first step I'm going to do is put all the vegetables into the pan, and we are going to add vegetable stock to it and bring it to a boil. And to this I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, and dill wheat. I've taken the dried dill wheat. Give it a mix, bring it to a boil. Once the vegetables are boiling, we are going to bring it to a medium flame, cover and cook until the vegetables are cooked. After 20 minutes, my vegetables are cooked. It's all cooked perfectly. We're going to turn off the stove. Now I have finished blending my mixture. After mixing, I turn back on the stove, and to this I'm going to add a little bit of cream. Mix it, and once it comes to a little boil, we're going to turn it off. I have not added any salt to it because I have added the vegetable stock, but you can adjust the salt and spices according to your taste. You can also add pepper if you want. After boiling, let's turn off the stove, and your delicious healthy vegetable soup is ready. Now let's serve it. It's so creamy and fluffy, and the smell is too good. Now let's try the recipe. It's so delicious. I don't have any words to express it. That's how tasty it is. And if you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel. Also like our video and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.